Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create an app using Lovable, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have your Lovable account and that you're already logged in, and you will go to lovable.dev, which we already are in, and then you will click create new project, and it should be visible right here. So yeah, once you create your new project, then when prompted, you will just type your app idea. For example, a to-do list app with user login, and then you will click generate with AI, and then Lovable will automatically create your app design and functionality. Once done, you will just click edit to customize buttons, pages, or data connections, or you can just go ahead and click your project like this, and then you can also, by the way, connect a backend like Supabase if needed. And when your app is ready, you will just have to click the publish, which is right here on the top right corner of the screen, and then you will just have to publish it to go live instantly or download the code to host it manually. And by the way, if your interface looks different, you will just have to check for AI app generator on your dashboard. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.